Take this panel off right here. You can use a trim tool. Just get underneath here. There's a couple of clips that hold it in. Take this cover off here. Just use the trim tool again. Just pop it off. There should be a retainer right there, a screw. Use a 7mm socket to get that one out. Take this panel off right here. Just use the trim tool and slide it off. Use a 7mm socket, and there's a bolt right here. Take that bolt out. Take this cover off. You can use a pick tool or a small screwdriver. Just get under here. Just pop that off. Take a T20 and remove this screw. There's a push pin right here. Use a trim tool and slide that push pin out. And just grab the panel and slide up. There's a light right here. Disconnect the light. Just grab the connector and it just pops out like that. Disconnect the connectors for the window switch. Just push down on the lock tab. This one kind of ratchets off. You have to push this little tab right here. You can use a pick or a screwdriver. Push down on that and then slide this out as the connector pulls out. And disconnect the last one. Pull back on the vapor barrier and slide the wires through. Normally you're going to have push retainers holding this on. This mirror's been replaced before, so there's some wire ties. So I gotta cut those. Let's just cut those wire ties. And slide this foam out. Use a 10mm socket. Take these nuts off. When you get to the last one, make sure you support the mirror. And slide the mirror out. And pull the mirror out. Remove the nuts from the mirror. Run the wiring harness through the hole. And get the nuts started. Now snug these down. Run the wiring harness this way, and there's those push pins that you can push in. This is going to go this way. There's another one right here. Put the vapor barrier back. Slide this foam piece back in. Reconnect the connector for the window switch. Slide this light back in. And slide the door panel in position. And slide down. Take this push pin, reinstall that. Take this screw, get that started right here, and snug it down. Put the cap back on. Take the longer screw, reinstall that right here. And the shorter one's going to go right here. Snug those down. Take this cover, slide it over the handle, and then start it in the front over here first, and lock it down. And take this cover and slide the lock to the unlock position. Make sure it works. Take this trim piece, slide it in position, and lock it in place.